Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss real numbers, class 10. Topic is logarithms, exercise 1.5, problem number 3. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve the problems by using properties of logarithms. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problem, that is using properties of logarithms. Click this I button to learn introduction to real numbers and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise number 1.5. Problem number 3. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. If it is given x equal to log 3 to the base 2 and y equal to log 5 to the base 2. First problem, log 15 to the base 2. Second one, log 7.5 to the base 2. Third one, log 60 to the base 2. Fourth one, log 6750 to the base 2. So we can use the formulas, we can use the properties, and we can find the values of these problems. Here x value is given, x equal to log 3 base 2, and y also given, y equal to log 5 to the base 2. So we can use x and y and we can find these all problems. So the given problem, first one, it is log 15 to the base 2. Given here, given x equal to log 3 to the base 2 and y equal to log 5 to the base 2. Log 5 to the base 2 is y and x equal to log 3 to the base 2. So first one, log 15 to the base 2. 15 you can write the prime factors. 3 5 is 15. So you can write log 3 into 5 to the base 2. So it is of the form log xy to the base a equal log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. So this model log xy model it is given. So we need to write log x to the base a plus log y to the base a, means log 3 to the base a value is 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. So log 3 to the base 2 given here. What is given? Log 3 to the base 2 value it is given by x plus log 5 to the base 2. Log 5 to the base 2 value is given by y. So log 15 to the base 2 value, how much we got it here? X plus y we got it. This is first one. It is completed. Now second. What is second one? Given that x equal and y equal, you can write it. X equal log 3 to the base 2 and y equal log 5 to the base 2. So second problem is log 7.5 to the base 2. So 7.5 means it is the decimal form. Decimal form 1 we need to convert into the rational form. So here point afterwards 1 digit only, means 75 by 10 we need to take. So 75 by 10. Now you have to write it here, log 75 by 10 to the base 2. We can cancel or not here. 5 table time cancelling. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 2 remain, 5 5s are 25. Means log 15 by 2 base 2. Here it is of the form log x by y to the base a equal log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. X by y means we need to take the second property, that is quotient property. Now you can write it log x means 15 to the base 2 minus log y means 2 to the base 2. Now 15, how we have to write the prime factors? 3 5s are 15 or not? So 15 we can write 3 into 5 means that equal log 3 into 5 to the base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 value we got, we know that one. Log a base a value we know 1. So same as it is way, log 2 base 2 value we are getting 1. Here again it is of the form. So what is the form? Log xy to the base a equal log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Now here I am writing here. So that log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2 minus 1 as it is. This minus 1 we can write as it is. Log 3 to the base 2. Log 3 to the base 2. What is given? X it is given. That value you can write it x plus log 5 to the base 2. Log 5 to the base 2 value is given by y minus 1 as it is. So here log 7.5 to the base 2 value we got it x plus y minus 1. This second problem also completed. Dear students, if you are watching first time of my video, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Hit the bell icon for latest updates. Now, what is third one? Now, third question. Given one as it is we can write it. Given x equal to log 3 base 2 plus y equal to log 5 base 2. Now, third one it is log 60 base 2. Log 60 base 2. 60 you can take the prime factors. 2 30s are, 2 15s are, and 3 5s are. Means 2 square into 3 into 5 you can write it. That equal log 2 square into 3 into 5 to the base 2. Now here it is of the form log xy to the base a means log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Now you can write it here log x. Here 3 terms are there. 3 terms we need to take the plus symbol only. Here this model means log xyz model. Log xyz means log x to the base a plus log y to the base a plus log z to the base a. 3 terms we need to take. Means log 2 square to the base 2 plus log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. Here x, y, z. X is 2 square, y is 3, z is 5. Now here it is of the form log x power m to the base a. Log x power m to the base a, what is the formula? M log x to the base a. M log x to the base a means 2 log 2 base 2 plus here log 3 to the base 2. Log 3 to the base 2 value given by x plus log 5 to the base 2 that is y. So here log 2 base 2 we know that formula log a base a that is 1. So here 2 into 1 plus x plus y. 2 into 1 is 2 plus x plus y. So here log 60 to the base 2 value we got it. 2 plus x plus y we got. Now last one that is log 6750 base 2. Before going to our fourth problem, Dear students, if you are watching first time of my video, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Hit the bell icon for latest updates. Now fourth one it is given one same as it is only we need to take. Given what is given, x value is given and y value is given. That values are x equal log 3 to the base 2 and y value is log 5 to the base 2. Now log 6750 to the base 2. Now 6750 you can take the prime factors. 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are. Now 5 table time taking. 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 5 5 are. Again 5 table only. 5 1 are 5, 5 3 are 5 5 are. Again 5 table only. 5 2 are 5 7 are. 3 table I am taking. 5 it is not possible. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are. Means 2 into 5 cube into 3 cube we can write it. That equal log 2 into 5 cube into 3 cube to the base 2. It is of the form log xy to the base a. Log xy to the base a. What is the formula here? Log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Here but 3 terms are there. X, y, z. So log x, y, z to the base a. What is the formula? Log x to the base a plus log y to the base a plus log z to the base a. Z also we need to take here. Means log 2 base 2 plus log 5 cube to the base 2 plus log 3 cube to the base 2. Now here this value we know. What is the value? Log a base a. That value we know, that is 1. Here again it is of the formula. Here that formula also here only I am writing. Log a base a equal 1. Here it is of the form log x power n to the base a equal m log x to the base a. M log x to the base a. This value we are getting 1 plus 3 log 5 to the base 2 plus 3 log 3 to the base 2. That equal 1 plus 3 as it is. Log 5 to the base 2. Log 5 to the base 2 value we know, that is y. Plus 3 log 3 to the base 2, that is x. Some order you have to write it. 3x plus 3y plus 1. This is the log 6750 to the base 2 value. 3x plus 3y plus 1. Do comment if you have any clarification on this topic. We have seen how to solve the problems by using properties of logarithms. In the next video, we will see how to expand the logarithms. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.